Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the do-while loop in C++. This is part 2 of the C++ loop tutorial. In part 1, we have discussed about how to use while loops for printing the name Family Computer Center 10 times. Okay, so the do while loop is another variation of the while loop. So this is more or less similar to each other. So here's the syntax for the do while loop. As usual, we need the counter variable declaration and counter variable initialization, as we have learned in the while loop. By the way, if you haven't watched the while loop video, I recommend you to watch that and come back to this video for better understanding. Okay, so we have the counter variable declaration and we have the counter variable initialization. So the initial value of the counter variable will be set. Then we start with the do, then we open the butterfly bracket, and inside that one we will write our statement or statements. Then we will have the counter increment or decrement, and we close the butterfly bracket. Then we write the while condition, and it should end with a semicolon. So here the only difference between while and do while loop is like do while loop will execute at least one time even if the condition is wrong, because the condition will be checked at the end of the loop. So at least one time this loop will be executed. Correct? So the other things, everything is same as while loop. So let's try to do that example using the do while loop. Here I will write the do while loop. So do, then I will say like cout family computers. Then here we will increment the counter I plus plus. Then here I am writing while I less than or equal to 10. So this is the do while loop. So let me try to compile and execute this program. Here you go, it print family computers 10 times, right? Okay, so what will happen if the initial value, it works like this: the initial value of I is 1, then it is saying like printing the family computer center, then I is turned into 2, then it check the condition 2 less than or equal to 10, yes, then do it again, do it again, do it again, and it continues like that. What will happen if I give here I 100? So the condition is wrong, even if this loop must work one time as the syntax says. Let's try to execute it. So here you can see it printed the family computer one time even if the condition is wrong, because the condition will be checked after one execution. So this is the only difference between while and do while loop. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.